Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, I want to show you how to get a stupid 2.43 billion % APY. I know that sounds crazy. What, APY in the billions? Oh, just stick around for this one, okay? You're almost gonna laugh when you see this one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. If you're a new visitor, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the bell notification. We got Litecoin giveaways in February. Okay, so more to come. But first of all, we need to do the Litecoin giveaway for the video I did yesterday, and the answer was Dogecoin. So what we'll do is we'll just go to YouTube Picker and pick a random winner. So they will win $10. Good luck, guys and girls. And Hollywood Drama, the coin was Dodge. What a pump. That is their Litecoin dress. Congratulations, Hollywood Drama. I will send you $10 worth of Litecoin immediately after I finish this video. Okay, so let's go get into it. So this is Sponge Finance, and it's got about $11 million, nearly $12 million in total value locked. Now, they've just recently announced some new pools, and if you just go to sponge.finance and you come to the website, the one I'm talking about here is, I think it's in Farms, yeah. So this is it here in Farms, okay? It's got these pairs here, okay? SOAK, BNB, and Sponge and BNB LPs, okay? So currently they're returning about 1700 APR. Now keep in mind too, APR is interest that's not compounded. APY is even more, and the Sponge BNB LP is 1200, nearly 1300 APR. Okay, so this is like the little ROI here. Day 1, day 7, day 30, day 365. Okay, so as you stake this longer and longer, it just gets, you know, into stupid numbers here. Now obviously this is going to change once more people jump onto this. It's going to change, all right? So it's not going to stay like this forever, but you might as well get into it while the APR is good. Obviously you've got to be using money that you can afford to lose, okay? So don't use rent money, okay? Do not use your rent money. With this high APR, what we're going to do is we're not going to stake it in this protocol here, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to get the LP token, but we're not going to put it here. We're going to put it on Beefy, all right? So Beefy is beefy.finance, and they're like an auto compounder. So they're like a Wi-Fi, and they're going to auto compound our LP tokens for us. So if we scroll down, you'll see here, once you scroll over a certain time, it sort of jumps. Okay, so just scroll down to there, you'll see it. So these are the pairs, okay? We're going to do this one, SOAK and the BNB LP, 2.43 billion % APY, and it's got a daily of 4.77% daily. There's a total value locked of 3 million. So there's enough liquidity there. So what we're going to do is let's get the LP, and then we'll come back to Beefy to then stake it here. Okay, so let's go through those steps. First of all, we want to find this combination. So there's a couple of ways to do it. Sponge Finance, they're hooked up to PancakeSwap through their back end. So you can do this here at, you know, the exchange, or you can do it on PancakeSwap. See, this is the LP here, so click on details and you can get it this way. It's probably just easier to do it this way, I guess, just not to confuse you guys. If you do it on PancakeSwap, just go trade and then exchange, and then if you find it, you just do the BNB SOAK. Okay, so you just need to get SOAK, you know, get the contract, You can click this MetaMask as well. This adds it to your MetaMask. This adds the actual address, token I mean. And you can just get the contract address. If you're going to do it on PancakeSwap, click on that, paste the token, and you'll see it. Okay, I've already added it, but it'll show up there. Okay, that's another way to find the original or the real token. Okay, but let's just keep things simple. So first of all, I have to get some SOAK, okay, because I haven't got the token yet. So I'll buy that first. Okay, and what I'll do is I've got 0.316 with a BNB, so I've got to get half of that, and I've got to leave a little bit for gas as well. So I'll go 0.14 just for this demo. I'm going to get 3.16559 SOAK, so I'll just go swap. Yep. That's the gas, which is very minimal. And if I have a look at BSC scan, there it is there, okay? It's done that for me. And now I've got my SOAK, there it is there, okay? So what I need to do now is I just need to go to swap this tab up here that says liquidity, and basically just add the liquidity, okay? So we want the BNB SOAK, remember? Okay, this one, SOAK-BNB. Just click on this one, max. All right, because remember we need a little bit of gas, so we're going to go max here, and that'll give us that amount there. So we've got 0.13 and we've got 0.17, so we'll have enough in my wallet for just a bit of gas. Okay, so just go approve first, which is going to cost 96 cents, which is a lot better than $80 on Ethereum. So first of all, it needs to approve, then we can then supply. Okay, so let's just wait a second for that to happen. Look at that. That took less than 10 seconds. So now we want to supply, and we're going to supply the maximum amount, obviously. Okay, so and where we'll get this token here, 0.574661, and then we want to supply, confirm. And then that's already gone through, as you can see here. Now down here we've got SOAK-BNB, and this is our LP token, and as you can see here we've got 3 point whatever SOAK and the BNB. So now I should have my LP token. Okay, this automatically goes to your wallet. Okay, if you're wondering where this is, this goes to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so now that I've added liquidity, and you can see it down the bottom here, okay, LP tokens in your wallet, and this is the SOAK-BNB. If you can't see in your wallet, don't worry, it is in your wallet. Okay, you can't see it in the custom tokens, alright, it is in your wallet. It says here LP is in your wallet. So then what you do is we're going to go to Beefy. Okay, go back to Beefy, and we want to stake it here. So just find the pair. This is the one we want, SOAK-BNB, because we want to get that 2.46 billion. Okay, this is crazy. And the sweet 4.77%. So come along here, click down, and then you will see your LP tokens. Okay, so there it is there. Alright, so all we need to do is just first of all, we just got to approve this, so then it can interact with Beefy contract. Alright, so confirm. So now once we've approved it, now we can deposit it. So We want to deposit 100%. Why not? Because we don't want LP left over. We want to just do the lot. And as you can see, there's a few transactions we're doing here, but they're all very cheap. All right, these are very, very small. And if you were to do this on Ethereum, if this was Ethereum based, you would be spending a fortune. So let's just go and I'll show you what these transactions are costing. So that one's $1.31. Okay. So a little bit more than normal, but hey, still chicken feed, right? So let's go deposit all. Oh, we already got that opened, and go confirm. Once that goes through, it should take a few seconds, and then we'll see that into our account. So it just takes a couple of seconds. You can refresh this if you want, and you'll see it here now. Okay, deposited 0.5632 SOAK-BNB LP, okay? And that's it. All you need to do is now wait until you start earning interest, and you should be earning 4.77% per day. And obviously here, if you want to withdraw, you can just withdraw, and if you want to harvest, this will just take out your rewards. You'll be earning in the LP token, so you're going to earn more SOAK-BNB LP, okay? That's what you earn. And harvest is to withdraw, is to harvest the rewards, and then, or you can go withdraw all. You can do it. We're not going to do a withdrawal at the moment. Obviously, we just deposit it. We're going to wait for, I don't know, a day or so, and come back, and I'll do a follow-up video on this. If it's going well, I might add some more. If not, we'll see. Okay. So that's how you do it. Hope you found this tutorial informative. And obviously, once people see this, they're going to probably jump on this. But keep it in mind too, okay? This is high risk. Don't risk your rent money with this. And I'm just doing this because, I'm just using profits that I've got from other stuff that I've been doing, okay? So let me know your thoughts. Comment below. If you need any help, comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because we've got some more Litecoin giveaways. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.